going to mission.
They can't take our
They've done
idea.
it before. They can't remove our First Amendment right with force.
They did it in Oakland and we moved to a different day.
Another issue is that school was closed for good cause. There's a river that runs underneath there that is so toxic from the old armory that who knows what kind of munitions they used to expend and place down there. I would like to see an environmental report on this. I mean, moving people onto a concrete slab that could potentially be toxic. I mean, I know the city's taken out $10 million on this, but is their insurance company aware of the conditions?
What's your name?
Robert Benson.
Benson?
That's correct.
So if they move, Robert, and they go, as long as they call it Occupy Mission or Occupy something else, you don't care?
Oh, they will have our blessing. We can work with them. I think it would be beautiful. But if their GAs are going to be there and our GAs are going to be here, then we are separate entities that can collaborate, march together. We can do all kinds of things together. But we have a process. It's called a consensus process. And if we don't reach it, then we don't reach it and it's not valid.
And we do reach consensuses. We have proven that we can reach consensus here.
But not on this issue.
This issue was actually just sprung on us, on all of us, by a small group of people that decided to take initiative, which is all right, but not with our name.
Well, you've had 2 days to think about it. It's not like it just sprung on you today.
2 days?
Well,
I mean, our liaisons didn't inform us. The news informed us.
And we would rather the city actually come and talk to us in a GA, in our open format that everyone's invited to come into to discuss negotiations, instead of go through liaisons or make friends or whatever the case may be. I mean, it's an open platform. That's the whole point of this thing.
Okay, so the city is saying it has to be unanimous. It's not going to be unanimous, and
We started as Occupy Financial District San Francisco. We shortened it to Occupy San Francisco just out of convenience. We are still focused on the financial district and the financial corruption that is plaguing this nation, exporting jobs. We have no problem with Mission Street. That's not where we want to protest. We want to be in the financial district. They want to tuck us away so we're out of sight, out of mind, and the bankers are happy and they'll keep funding Ed Lee's campaigns. I mean, Mohammed Nuru, let's be honest, he has a very shady past. The city just has musical chairs going on and they just rotate heads from different departments. I mean, there's serious corruption going on and all they want to do is get us out of sight, out of mind, alleviate the financial district so they can have business as usual and run this country into the ground. And that's not what we're about. We don't want to go high.
What's your name?
James.
James, what's your last name? Young. Okay, James Young, Robert Benson, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Excuse me,